Hello class, we have learned about the bacterial shapes and arrangement, bacterial sizes, and structure of bacterial cell. We are also going to learn about several major groups of prokaryotes. In this lecture, we are going to learn about actinomycetes. Actinomycetes are aerobic bacteria that are distinctive because most have filamentous cells that differentiate to produce asexual spores. Many actinomycetes make filamentous cells called hyphae instead of more familiar smaller rods or cocci. Cross walls usually divide the hyphae into long cells, each containing several nucleoids. When growing on a solid substratum, such as soil or agar, filamentous actinomycetes develop a branching network of hyphae. Hyphae grow on and into substratum to form a dense hyphaeal mat called a substrate mycelium. In many actinomycetes, substrate hyphae differentiate into upwardly growing hyphae to form an aerial mycelium that extends above the substratum. Over time, aerial hyphae septate to form spores. These spores are considered exospores because they don't develop within a mother cell as do the endospores of Bacillus and Clostridium. If the spores are located in a spore region, they may be called spore-ridge spores. The spores can vary greatly in shape. The genus Streptomyces is the best known of the actinomycetes and is one of the bacteria most commonly isolated from soil. The reproductive asexual spores of Streptomyces are formed at the ends of aerial filaments. If each spore lands on a suitable substrate, it is capable of germinating into a new colony. These organisms are strict aerobics. Streptomyces form three types of cells: exospores, vegetative hyphae, and aerial hyphae. Single non-motile exospores germinate to produce long filaments called vegetative hyphae that grow by tip extension rather than binary fission. Upon receipt of cues that indicate nutrient limitation and intracellular signals, the vegetative hyphae begin to grow up into the air to form aerial hyphae. As aerial hyphae continue to grow, they curl and begin to septate in regular intervals. Ultimately, the aerial hyphae become chains of spores that pinch off into single egg spores to begin cycle anew. Streptomycetes are very important both ecologically and medically. The natural habitat of most streptomycetes is soil, where they may constitute from 1 to 20% of the culturable population. In fact, the odor of moist earth is largely the result of streptomycetes' production of volatile substances such as geosmin. Streptomycetes play a major role in mineralization. They secrete a variety of exoenzymes, enabling the degradation of resistant substances. Species of Streptomyces are valuable because they produce most of our commercial antibiotics. Okay, that's all for today's lesson.